So my name is John Gassman. I'm the Vice President of Construction for McArthur Homes. I've been with McArthur Homes for about 18 years. And in that time, we pride ourselves on the fact that we've tried to find ways to make the homes more efficient, more comfortable, and a better living environment for you and your family. So if we can take a few minutes, we'll point out some of those things that we have done over the years. On all of our homes, we use these engineered floor joists, engineered wood eye joists, which makes for a sturdier, stiffer, and often quieter floor. Also throughout our homes, you'll find the cross-linked polyethylene plumbing, or PEX as it's known in the industry, which makes for, again, a quieter plumbing system and more energy efficient. We also include 9-foot ceilings on the main floor in all of our homes. The 9-foot gives it that nice, more open feel. Nowadays, as we build homes tighter and tighter, we're trapping more and more pollutants in the homes. And one of those is radon, which is a naturally occurring radioactive gas that comes from decaying soil. And as we trap those in the homes, we've got to find a way to get rid of it. So we include in our single-family homes a passive radon mitigation system. In each of our single-family homes, we include a high-efficient sealed combustion furnace, which means that it brings in its own fresh air combustion supply and then exhausts the stale air directly to the outdoors. So there's no chance of any of that getting in your home, which provides you better air quality. All of our basements get wrapped with this fiberglass blanket, which then makes the building envelope, the exterior of your home, to be in that plane of the basement wall, as opposed to many builders will put the insulation in the floor, and then this space remains relatively cold in the winter. This home now also has the water heater installed, which again is a high efficiency sealed combustion power vented water heater. The big difference here is it has 2 pipes coming off of it, just much like the furnace. One is providing outside air to come in for the water heater to burn, and then this motorized fan exhausts the bad air back to the outside. So again, there's no chance of those combustion byproducts actually getting into the home. So a couple other things we can point out is the fact that we use double top plating on all of our interior and exterior walls, which gives you a straighter, truer wall. One of the other energy efficient things that we like to point out in our homes is we try to minimize the use of lumber in an exterior wall, because lumber is not a very good insulator. Insulation is a much better insulator. And one way we do that, most builders, you would find that right here there would be another stud, which would allow them to attach their drywall on those exterior walls. But what that also does is then conducts heat to the outdoors. So instead, we leave the lumber out of the walls, and we provide a little metal clip that goes on right like this. And then the drywall comes across and attaches and is held in place by that metal clip, which again allows us to get the full 3.5 inches of insulation in that stud cavity. Our windows are a vinyl window with the low E coating on the glass. That low E coating reflects radiant heat, keeps the heat out in the summer, and keeps the heat in the home in the winter. On the installation, we actually put a little bit of a slope. There's about a 1/4 inch slope to the windowsill itself. And then we provide in the corners this what we call a flex wrap, which is a waterproofing type material. And there's also a waterproof windowsill under here. And what all this in combination does is force that water to be directed to the outside of the home and not allow any water to get into the stud cavity. Well, we appreciate you taking a few minutes to view this video. Hopefully you've learned that it truly is more than just putting up some 2x4s and some drywall that goes into building our homes. At McArthur Homes, we really take pride in doing those little things that really set us apart from our competition, and hopefully some of those things have become evident as you've watched this video.